फीडबैक हम आपका ले रहे हैं आज। आपका एक्सपीरियंस परफेक्ट कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं होता है, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ गुंजाइश रहती है। देयर इज ऑलवेज अ स्पेस टू इम्प्रूव अवर सेल्व्स, नो डाउट, हमेशा रहती है। नहीं होती तो फिर ये अभी 5G के आने की तैयारी है, 6G 7G आ जाएगा, 8G आ जाएगा, दुनिया 2G पे थोड़ी रुक गई। 5G आ जाएगा तो क्या 5G पे रुक जाएगी? नहीं रुकेगी। तो आपके ये जो सुझाव होते हैं मेरे लिए, आपका ये जो फीडबैक मैं ले रहा हूं, इसमें मैं कोई भाषा की पाबंदी नहीं रख रहा आपके सामने कि आप इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है क्योंकि इंग्लिश की क्लासेस है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इंग्लिश आप बोलते हैं, मैंने देखा है आपको। ये मैं इसलिए आपको आज भाषा की छूट दे रहा हूं कि जिससे कि आप बहुत सारी बातें आप अभी इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाए तो आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं। पूरी छूट है आपके लिए कि आप अपने मन की बातें बताइए मुझे, और आप अगर चाहें तो आप इंग्लिश में बोलें, आप चाहें तो आप हिंदी में बोलें। इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते आपको लगता है कि भाई ये बात मैं इंग्लिश में नहीं मैं हो पा रहा है मेरे से, तो आप उसको हिंदी में बोल दें। फिर आपको लगता है कि ठीक है, अब आई एम फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश, देन आप इंग्लिश में बोल दें। देन इफ यू फील दैट दिस टाइम दिस प्लेस एट दिस प्लेस आई एम नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल, आई हैव टू tell this thing but I am not able to express this view into English, then you can express that into Hindi. कोई पाबंदी नहीं है आज आपके ऊपर, किसी भी तरह की पाबंदी नहीं है आज आपके ऊपर। और बोलें, बताएं क्या आपको अच्छा लगा, क्या आपको बुरा लगा। अच्छा लगा, अच्छी बात है, हम उसको कंटिन्यू रखेंगे। कुछ बातें कमियां हो सकती हैं, हर व्यक्ति के अंदर होती हैं, हर सिस्टम में होती हैं। मैंने आपको क्या कहा? हर सिस्टम में होती हैं, हर व्यक्ति के अंदर होती हैं। बताएं, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, मैं उन चीजों को अपने अंदर, अपने सिस्टम के अंदर और इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करूंगा। आपके कुछ भी सजेशन हो सकते हैं मेरे लिए, दैट इज वैल्यूएबल, है ना। हमें, हमारा पढ़ाने का पर्पस तो ये कि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि भाई क्या है, किस तरीके से है। तो आप बिल्कुल फ्री फील करें अपने आप को, किसी तरह की कोई बर्डन अपने मन में महसूस ना करें। और मैंने आपको क्या कहा है कि आपको सब कुछ बोलिए आप, ठीक है ना। केवल किसी को खुश करने के लिए नहीं बोलना है आपको। एक्चुअल अगर आपका फीडबैक आएगा तो मेरे लिए अच्छा होगा, मेरे सिस्टम के लिए अच्छा होगा, आने वाले जो लोग आएंगे सीखने के लिए, उनके लिए हम और भी अच्छे से चीजें कर पाएंगे। क्लियर हो गई बात? मतलब आप 4G हो, आप अगर कोई चीज बताओगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम में हम एक 5G के लेवल तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करेंगे। समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात को आप? सो आज की इस क्लास में आपका, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम इन दिस क्लास। थैंक यू वेरी मच। यस, स्टार्ट करो।
Hello friend, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman online interactive classes from V6. Today I am telling about my last 3 months experience. My name is Nisha. I am a student of class 9th. All subject was my favorite subject, but English was not my favorite subject because after my English was very weak. For that reason, I could not read and write English. But our new English teacher came in class 8th. His name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He is very simple and hard working man. He taught different in reading and iterate. He teached tense solve to our English problem. I had not focused on this. By that reason, I could not learn English. But my best friend had focused on this and she went to his tuition. By that reason, she could read and write English. This day, I decide that I learn English. I do not iterate. And I joined Raman online interactive classes, in which tense and sentence kind of words, etc., had been learned to me. And slowly, my English was very good. And I can do read and write in English language. I want thank to Mr. Rajesh Gupta that who made we available to me. I am proud of to myself and I am very happy here. That's all.
Hello friends, I am telling you about a small but beautiful world. It is very beautiful world in which many children like me and me live. If you think that I am telling about a world like this, which is in space far away from here, then you are wrong. It is not like that. The world is between us, and directly and indirectly, we are all part of this. This is our world, whose name is Ramban Online Live Interactive Classes. This is not a joke. This is true. There is no any God and no any devote in this world. There is no liceness and no boasting. Just happiness, the joy of learning something new. Each day is an attempt to prepare yourself anew. And one of the most nice person to support this effort, whose name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. I am not telling about any external beauty. Rather, I am telling about beauty of mind. What are online what are online classes like? How do you study there? You will teach. How will teacher teach? Is there an atmosphere like physical classes, like physical classes or not? Before joining these classes, I had the same question. I thought, what would I do? I do not take classes online, but I fought with myself that why not take classes? Why is the harm in learning new? I joined classes. Then I got my first moral that if you are wrong on your one, so fight yourself. I keep learning something new every day. Mr. Rajesh Gupta is our teacher. Sorry, very good teacher and best friend. Then that he had a solution for each problem, be it social or personal. He himself keeps learning something new. There are no student nor teacher in our classes.
Good.
It means that sometimes teacher becomes student to learn something new.
Very good.
And sometimes students become teacher to teach something new.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
Sir teaches everything closely. There is no system to rot in our classes. It is not that he does not scold us. He scolds, but love is also hidden in his scolding.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बनाया. हाँ.
There is no single student special for him. He considers us all as his world. He is not only a teacher of English. There are many topics of life which he teaches us in many things.
Very good.
He is so perfect, but never considered himself perfect. He has all the qualities of a perfect teacher. He teaches a lot, like don't compare to other. Look at yourself and learn from yourself.
Yes.
Whatever be the situation, be ready to learn something new all the time. If ever an ant is teaching you something, so make it mentor you too, etc.
Yes.
My teacher never learned to like for money. He understands problems of each student and always help them. He is very honest for his duty and is also very serious about our rights. Very fun here. Who says that you will never be able to connect with teachers and classmates by staying behind the screen. Here all are connected to each other. These classes are related to emotions apart from words. How much I say about these classes rarely seems. My teacher is also my teacher is also very rich after living a life of lack. Very, very thanks, sir, and thank you all for listening to me.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बढ़िया. यस
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ स्टार्ट करो.
Hello everyone. My name is Priya Mina, and today I am telling about my 3 months experience. Today I am telling about 3 months experience. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. My name is Priya Mina, and
बेटा बिल्कुल नहीं घबराना है ना, बिल्कुल. कोई हिंदी में बोल दो आप, तुझे नहीं आता फिर इंग्लिश में बोल दो, कुछ नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए बेटा, है ना. हाँ
सर मैं स्टार्टिंग से बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ बोल, स्टार्टिंग से बोल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Priya Mina, and today I am telling about my 3 months experience. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. In the starting, I can't speak English. I can't speak English. I am telling you that in fact I absolutely do not know English.
Did not. आजा बेटा.
Did not.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है बस, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा, बस अपने आप आने लग जाएगा. घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी मत घबराओ, है ना बेटा. ऑप्शन है आपके पास में, आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो, आप इंग्लिश में भी बोल सकते हो. घबराना बिल्कुल नहीं है, आपके थॉट्स आने चाहिए बस मेरे पास. हाँ बेटा.
Before we only knew the method of iteration and became pass in the exam. Still then I feared the word of English. I only worried in English whenever the exams are near. I think that how to learn it, but I read in class 8. Then our new teacher came, whose name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He teach us English very easily method. And then he learned how to learn English.
He taught how to learn English. हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, ये तो होती है, चीज हो जाएंगी ठीक, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ बेटा बोलो बेटा.
He gave many advices that how to learn the English, but I did a mistake. I did a small mistake. I did a small mistake that I don't focus on his advices.
शाबाश. हाँ.
It was my very big mistake in my life. When I came in class 9th, I started a new English speaking course. Then I thought that I need to speak English and learn English. But I did some time to join in them. But still I understood all, and then sir taught all grammar to us. And after then speaking, reading and listening started. And slowly I feel that I can speak English without any iteration and without C. I have proud of on me because I never spoke in English and I never speak in English on any topic. Today I am mostly speak in English to each other. now I can speak and read and in the English and and I do and I try to speak to each other English. Rajesh, I want to say thanks Rajesh sir because he is very nice and his method is very nice. His teaching method is very nice. That's it.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am sharing my experience of online interactive classes. I want to thank you for being such a wonderful teacher. For being a wonderful teacher, the way you were interactive with students, the way of teaching, making learning so interesting, and explaining everything was outstanding. An online class is a conducted course over the internet. They are generally conducted through the learning management system.
Very good.
So I really enjoyed the online course. I thought I never spoke English, but I saw and then I met with a very good teacher. His name is Rajesh Gupta. I met with him in class 9. He was in my school, and some students joined his online classes for speaking English. And then I saw some students' result. They spoke very well. And then I realized I also want to, and I realized that I also want to speak in English.
शाबाश बेटा.
Then I also joined the class. And I spoke well now, and I make paragraphs on any topic, and I want to thank you for teaching me in a very good manner, and I understood all the things you teach me, and I want to thank you. That's all.
Very good. आजा.
Hello, sir.
बोल बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rupna. I am a student of interactive online classes from Bench V6. Today, tell you about my experience. I am a student of 9th class. After my English is very weak because I cannot read the English sentences and paragraphs and telling the English sentence. So I joined this class and learn English in this class. And I can speaking sometime with our friends and families. I can write the short paragraphs and letters. I can read the English sentence and I can transfer Hindi to English.
Very good.
But I cannot transfer to
Translate.
English to Hindi, so I want that learn English in these classes. But I am happy because I am a student of online classes. That's also.
Very good. Okay. Bol.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Ishpal Gupta and I am the student of Grammar English online interactive classes from batch B1. I read in class 9 and today I am going to tell you about experience of these classes. These classes are very nice. Before joining these classes, I was weak at English. It was my difficult subject. And I couldn't make any sentences in English. But now I can speak English and make small paragraphs and small paragraphs. Before joining these classes, I learned English. I learned everything in English. But now I can make answers of questions and speak on any topic, and I can write on any topic and letter, emails, etc. These classes are going good. My improvement is becoming good. Becoming good day by day. I am feeling that my improvement is increasing day by day. These classes are very nice. We have fun in the middle of these classes for our mind refreshment. And I want to continue these classes.
Bol.
And sir, your teaching method is very nice, and I can understood your teaching method very easily. That's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Aja beta, bol.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about my experience of last 2 months. English was very difficult subject for me before joining this class, but when I joined this class, then I felt that English is very simple subject. I joined this class on 22 January. After it, I can't speak in English, but now I can speak in English. I have learned a lot after joining this class.
Shabash, very good.
This class. Now I do not learn which questions answers. Rather, I made which questions answers.
Shabash, very good.
I am very happy because my English is becoming day by day becoming very good.
Shabash.
Sir, your teaching method is very good. Now I can translate English to Hindi and Hindi to English.
Very good.
कर सकता हूँ. So I am very happy. That's all.
Very good. Yes.
Karo start.
Karo beta.
Hello friends, I am Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about my English feedback, that what was my position in English 10 months ago and now what is the position, and who did everything so much, who were the guides of our English. Our English class started on 8 May and our guides was Rajesh ji sir. He started teaching us English with a book written by himself, Ramban English Basic Grammar. Guruji never wrote us but explained. He taught us with tense. He put more emphasis on basic because he knew that the foundation of the world English rests on the basic. We did not even come tense properly, but after teaching sir, it seems that now we can never forget tenses. When our basic started getting better and sir started to feel that now that we have been able to learn further English.
he started getting us advanced grammar. He taught us such a topic which we never knew. Whatever topic we did not understand properly, he would tell that topic 10 times.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. हाँ.
Sir never forced the student to come to me and learn to speak English, but the students who saw the improvement in our English, they themselves started contacting Guruji. Today there are many college students like me in our group who didn't even know how to speak English, but after taking classes from Guruji, we have started to speak and understand English. Now we don't have much problem in speaking and understanding English. Guruji has worked very hard to take us to this stage. It is our luck that Guruji like you meet us. Now every Saturday is our speaking class and we perform very well, which makes Guruji very happy. Right now we have to learn a lot from Guruji so that we never have any problem in English. Thank you very much Guruji, you gave us 100% of yourself by taking away from us. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes sir.
चालू कर.
Good evening everybody. I am Nisha Kumaut, student of B5 batch, and today I am going to tell about my experience about Ramban online interactive classes. I was joined these classes on 5 November, and I learned many things after that classes. I can speak in English. I can read and translate sentence in English.
Very good. शाबाश, ऐसे बोलते.
These classes was help me in improve my classes. Before joining these classes, I could not speak English well, but today I talked in English very well. Sir, you teach me English in very well way. This way is very good. You not only teach me English, but you also increase my confidence. I learned many things by you. Not only the marks and the language are not important for life, but the experience, skills, and many other things are useful in life. When people try to decrease my confidence, you help me to increase this, and I am really inspire you and join these classes. And now I feel that I speak very well, and I understand English when someone talk with me in English. That's it.
Very good.
Start कर रही हूँ. Hello everyone, I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes from B1 batch. Today I am going to tell you my experience of these classes. These classes have been very useful and important for me, because I have learned so many things in these classes. I have learned so many grammar portion. I have also learned how to speak in English, how to read English, how to learn English.
शाबाश.
And sir, you always teaches us teach us in very different interesting ways. So we all always enjoy your classes, and I have been reading here for about 9 or 10 months.
वेरी गुड यार, ग्रामर बहुत अच्छी यूज कर रहे हो आप, वेरी गुड, टेंसेस को बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हो आप, शाबाश।
I'm very happy here. Before joining these classes, my English was not good. I always felt shy about English. I could not make sentences in English. I could not speak. I could not read. But now my condition is very well in English.
Very well, really very well. Yes.
I can read. I can read English. I can speak on every topic in English very well, and you always support me and appreciate me. And all the students, I want to thank you, sir.
I am also thankful of you, Manisha.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Okay, अब बोलो।
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. I am a student of 12th class. Today my topic is experience of my online class Ramban English. So let's start it. When I take first time online class, I was no idea that how take online class, but now I have much idea about online class. I have been taking this class for 9 months.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा, हाँ।
And I learned many things of this class. And before my English was not good, but now my English has become so good that I can speak anything. English. This class are very helpful and important to me, and I have satisfied of this class. In this class, we learn different uses of technology like use of Google Meet and use of computer, etc. I learned many things this class, and I thought that online class is better than offline class because there is too much noise of offline class. So I like online class so that we have no inconveniences, and I learned many useful and important things to this class, and I'm very thankful to you, Rajesh ji sir, because this teacher is a great person and great teacher, because this teacher taught us many things along with studies and how we have to live our life. I want that every student meet like as you teacher. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Hello, sir. I am Payal Sharma. Today I am talking about my 10 months feedback. When I started this class, I didn't know anything. I was afraid to English by that time. I used to run away from him.
Very good. यार, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो आज तो तुम, हाँ।
But with your infinite grace, these things have become impossible.
Possible.
So I am very happy. Learned a lot in these 10 months. All your efforts were successful. We are all like a family. We got a lot of love and belonging with you. we learned a lot from you playing here. I don't think these would have been any decency in classes, like we can't talk to friends like school, like we beat each other and play and have fun. Not only that, open his tiffin and sees his food, etc. Just remember all these things. Wait. There is one thing left. Seeing you at school and snatching toffees and chocolate from you. This is the drawback of his class. So sad. And listen, we do not find any deficiency in your studies. You brought to your child from school time itself. Thank you so much, and I love you a lot, my school and online classes father. I am proud of you and your teaching method. Thank you. That's
Okay,
it.
very good. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा.
I am talking about online class. It is very before I don't like it, but now I like English because my English.
आप चालू कर बेटा.
I am Anjali Meena. I am talking about online interactive class. It is very useful for us. Before I don't like English, but now I like English because my English improve day by day. So now I like English, and I am thankful to Rajesh ji sir because this teacher is a great person. It taught us many things along with study and how we have lived through our life. Sir, really, you are very important for me because when I was nervous, you would give me courage so that I can speak. So I want that every student meet like as you teacher. If you as like teacher meet everyone, so our country will be developed very quickly. Thank you so much, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया करो बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch first. As we all know that today's our topic is our experience. I have been taking these classes before 10 months, and when I joined these classes, I couldn't know nothing. After joining these classes, I know everything, and I am improving day by day myself. And at first, sir clear us our basic grammar, and then we are learning advanced grammar. These two books is written by Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta sir, and it is in very easy language for teaching us. Sir, your way is very simple and easy, and we can learn everything in this way very easily. And this class is better than the school classes because there is not any disturbance in these classes.
sometimes a network issue is going on, but after some place changes, but it is uh, removing, and this class is better than school classes. Your way is very amazing, and we can learn easily. Sir, you don't tell us, don't iterate all the things, but you tell us how to learn things, and you always motivate us, and you always tell, don't, no one is perfect in the life. And when I joined these classes, my position was very zero, and now I'm not perfect, but I can speak in English and make paragraph sentences, and I am doing some mistakes, but my mistake is removing day by day, and I feel improving myself. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your precious time. That's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
बोल बोल
Start करो.
बोल.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about the experience of these online classes. These online classes are too good, and I am the student of also these classes. Today I'm telling about that what was the position of my before joining these classes, and I will tell about its reality, not its goodness. I was too poor in English. I could not speak, write, and read any sentence. And now, after joining these classes, I'm better. I'm better than before 10 months. And now I can speak on any topic. Enough it is big or small, and now I can write any paragraph, and letters, emails, etc. And these classes are not only particular English, but also we learn many things from these classes, like about manners, many things, and how to speak, how and other things. And from these classes, we get many knowledge of two other subjects. The first thing of sir is he always say that you must not iterate anything, because if you are iterating, then you are doing yourself loss. And if your basic will is strong, then you can do everything. So he started his classes from basic, and when he thought that now all the students basic is good, then he said to then he taught us advanced English classes, and the basic was also good of us. And now because of this basic, we are able to speak about any topic. And it is just like if a building's foundation will not strong, then it
will collapse.
Then it will collapse. And if just like if our basic will not spoke, then we will also collapse. So the hard work is the second point of the basic grammar, the basic English. And it is just like that. If we learn exercise formula, then we are able to do all the exercise. Like if our basic is strong, then we are able to do other things.
Hello everyone, today I am telling you about my experience. I am reading online interactive classes. I was thinking that English is very hard subject, and I I can never learn in English. After this Ramban English classes, I feel I was wrong. This I could not read, I could not speak, I could not make sentence. This can learn easily. I have learned kind of sentence, tense, passive voice, active voice. I am so happy. I like is this habit that you consider all students are best student. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Very
Hello
good.
friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about Ramban English Online live interactive classes.
आराम से बेटा
तो
बाकी है
थोड़ी देर बाद में बोलेंगे.
थोड़ी देर बाद में.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Institute class. Today I am here to speak about the feedback of this class. This class is too good and I have been reading here for 10 months and this class is too interesting and effective. Before this class, my English speaking and reading level was not good and I had little knowledge about English but not enough for me. When I joined this class, I learned many things about English which was very important for learning English. And Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta is teaches us English and he teaches us by Ramban book which is made by himself. And this book is really too good because it is the base of grammar. Like it is the base of grammar and just as a foundation is very important for making a house, like that basic knowledge is very important for English.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. हाँ.
About 9 months I have completed to running this class and in this period many students improved themselves by this class.
शाबाश.
And this class also powerful and helpful for all students and the teaching method of the Guruji is also different from others and he knows very well that how can be taught and learn to students. He is not only teach us English but also teach us many things about life. He is not only a teacher but also a motivational guide. When if somebody feel nervous in his class on speaking day, then he motivate us and he is really nice person. Thank you Guruji for giving your precious time and for reaching us this stage. That's it Guruji.
Hello friends, my name is Salman Khan. I read in 12th Arts. Today I am telling about my feedback about 9th month. First all of I want to give thanks to our teacher Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta for start online interactive classes. When in starting when I join online interactive classes, then I don't know about how to teach online interactive classes, like how to open our mic, camera, etc. But sometime later sometime later I learned that how to open open its
होल्ड कर बेटा. हाँ हाँ.
and
बोल.
and 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 on in the online interactive classes we learned many types of technical thinkings. Technical thinkings. These classes are better than offline classes. There is no disturbance in online classes. Online classes. One more again. I want to give thank you, sir, for it, sir. You are a very nice teacher, and only not our teacher. Teacher, you are our friend also. You love all the students, and all the students also love you. Your online toffee chocolates are also very nice. That's it, sir.
Very good. बेटा बोल.
Start करूं?
हाँ.
Hello everyone. Today I am telling you about my experience. These classes are very important for me. I have learned so many things in these classes, and now I also learning. I have been learning here for 3 months. Sir teaches us very well. My experience of 3 months is very well. My favorite subject was English, and I also like to speak English. My favorite teacher's name is Sri Rajesh Gupta. He teaches English. He always be happy. His teaching way is very interesting. He is not only our teacher but also a good friend. I joined these classes. I could not read sentence of English. I want to continue these classes, and I also enjoy these classes. Sir, I am really proud of you. I am very happy. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. I am. हाँ बोल बेटा.
Hello friends, myself Ritika, and today I am telling about the experience of Raman English Live interactive classes. I am also the student of these classes, and I have been reading in these classes for last 10 months. Today I will tell that what was the position of my before joining these classes, and what is the reality of these. This not its goodness. Before joining these classes, I was not able to speak on any topic, and it was I could not write, read, and speak, and many things were there that I could not do. But after joining these classes, I am able to speak on any topic, enough it is big or small, and now I can write any paragraph and read English easily. If any competition of English held, then I take in it, participate, and these classes are too good, and I am very thankful that I get such a teacher just like Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta, and from these classes I learn not only particular English but also many things, manners and other things. He teaches us not only particular English, but also many things according to the world, real things. he teaches us, he always suggests to us that you must not irritate, because if you are irritating, then you are losing yourselves. And he said also, and he said also at the first day of these classes that if you will your basic will strong, your basic will is strong, then you can do everything. And it's really true that if our basic is strong, then we can do everything. uh, if the basing is down, then it is just like a founding of building is weak, then it collapse. It is also just like if our basic is not strong, then we are not able to speak anything and do anything in English. And if we are if the basic method is just like the formulas of English, the formulas of maths. If the formula of a chapter of maths, then we can do the whole exercise without any requirement.
Nice comparison. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
If just like if our basic is not strong, if our basic is strong, then we can do everything. The sir saw in our increasing that they can do in basic things. Then he started from small things gradually, not for big things. Just if a teacher comes in a class first day, then if he will read a chapter and not tell his basic, then we can't do. He tried this method, and it is a very nice method. From this we are able to now today we are able to stand here, and from these classes we think we learn many things without not only English, like she tells his experience of his life, from which we learn many things. And we learn also that how life is strong, and there comes many struggles, but we must not fear from these, and we should increase it and try to remove it. If the second thing is if the hesitation, and if we are not able to speak in front of a public, then first of all our hesitation should gone from speaking English. And if our hesitation will strong, then we can do everything. We must not fear from things that what will the people think if we will speak wrong. The thought this never should become in our mind. And negativity is also the second thing that lose our confidence. So it should also not become in our mind. And from these classes, sir teaches us that what is the real education. He does not compare from our marks. He compares. He says that if your capacity and your skills and your size, if you think that you are improving, then don't think about other people's that what are they saying. If your marks are coming to law in maths, but your maths is good to count anything. If you go in the market, then you are able to count. Then don't think that don't compare to you from marks. your mark sheets and your all things will here, and you cannot take anything from the earth. You will go without anything to the heaven, and and some things are here that are not good to the sir. That is first thing, that he when the class is over, he gives us a party and toffees, chocolate, but it is only online, not offline.
Yes.
He says that you will get a toffee, and he watches also it, but we are not able to take it because of this screen of computer and phones. He says that a pipeline is coming to you from
Yes. Yes.
is coming, but the pipeline is also never.
Yes.
It goes to other house, so it is not able to come to my house. And it when he drinks tea, he sends us tea, but it also not comes. So what should we do? Please someone tell me it's a solution.
Yes.
And the other thing is I am also the student of his schools, but he never takes for me in the school toffee. He says you will take it in online classes, and he sends us toffees on the group. So it is not. Sir, you should improve it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. That's all, sir.
Okay, बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. शाबाश. बोल.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Hello, friends. I am Pooja, a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. I am talking about my experience 6 months. I wanted to join class, but there are strange fear in my mind. What will happen? Because I found English very hard. I started when sir taught English not hard, it is easy. Have to work a little and it will come. Your way of teaching is very good. You know very well that is the responsibility of a teacher.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो बेटा. Very good बेटा. हाँ.
You are a good teacher and good person. From telling to you, my problem is easily solved. I am very proud of you. That's it.
शाबाश.